Hey friends, so welcome to my bathroom. Welcome to my crib. I realize this is probably a weird place for me to like come back to making videos. Like come back with like a video from my bathroom in a bathrobe with a whiskey sour in a glass with vampire teeth on it. My sister made it. She found the red glass at the Goodwill and put the things on it, and I was very excited about it. But it's been a hell of a week, and I wanted to give you guys something that I've had people ask me about for quite a while. I realize it's probably not the most exciting video in the world, but we can work with this. This is the weirdest setup. This is the one nice part of my bathroom, by the way. I have my mirror that's gonna show some weird shit. I have my Clinique take the day off. A bathroom tour. You can't even see the cute shelf I have up here. Maybe one day. I think I have a shark soap over here. I do have a shark soap. Let's put the shark soap front and center. Shark soap. What are we gonna do today? We are going to, as you can tell, my bangs are getting ridiculous. And I've been waiting to cut them for a video because I know I wanted to make a video on like how I cut my bangs, but I've had no time to actually like film a video. So my bangs have just gotten like this is ridiculous. Look at these bangs. Look at them. They're ridiculous. They're so long. Like I hate them. I mean, it's probably good that my hair is really flat right now because I can see the full length of them. So it'll be easier to cut. But we're gonna cut my bangs today, and I'm gonna show you how I do it at home because it's so exciting. Also, you can probably hear my upstairs neighbors giving their baby a bath. This will be a weird background noise. Ah, whiskey. So I've been letting these puppies grow out for a really long time. You know what I use to cut my bangs? Whatever fucking scissors I have on hand. I've used kitchen shears. I have used actual hair cutting scissors. I've used school scissors. The only scissors I haven't really used are like eyebrow scissors, eyebrow trimmers, you know? I don't think so, at least. This is what I do, okay? This is what I fucking do. Let's see if we can zoom in on this bitch. Oh, that's a good view. Oh look, here's my face. Actually, I'm gonna get my hair a little bit wet. It does work a little bit better when it's wet.
That's what she said.
I feel like it holds on to the scissors a bit more. Brush them out a little bit. Oh, look at how long they are. This is just unpleasant. This is just, oh, that's not even a bang hair. Like, what? What? So now that we have all my bangs in one just chunk, if you will. A couple of pieces are up here. Come on, get down here, you bitches. Get down here, okay? Cool. So now I have well, this is just gonna become part of my bangs. I am the most haphazard person when it comes to fucking cutting my bangs. Because I've been doing it my whole life, you know? Literally my entire life that I have zero shame at just hacking off. Like, I mean, I have a lot to cut off, so your method might be slightly different if you have not this much to cut off. Because, you might have to be more careful. Who knows? That's a look.
You better stop!
I'm doing this right before I'm washing my hair because I always like doing it right before I wash my hair because then I can like fix it even more if I have to. Okay, so that was the first chop. Not a bad chop, to be honest, but I want more. I go in stages, okay? I don't go all at once. I go like a little bit at a time. Practice makes perfect. Start with a little bit and then add more. But I'm not afraid of short bangs, so if you're afraid of short bangs, tread lightly. You can always do what I just did and make them totally uneven. There's a reason I don't do hair tutorials, guys. There's a reason I don't do this usually. Oh, that's a look. Now I think I have like the desired length. Cut off little edges here. This one's still a little long. There we go. Okay. So, now that I have everything at the general length that I like it at, and I have hair all over my face, which is why I'm going to take a shower right after this. I have pieces of hair all over my face. and not get hair in my whiskey. So now that everything is like generally the length that I want it at, now I just take it, well, and it's gonna get a little bit shorter, okay? So like when you get to this stage, go longer than you actually want your bangs to be, because when you hack at it like this, they're gonna get shorter. So now everything has been up to here, like this, okay? Now we're gonna take it like this. And I'm just gonna go in. And I tend to focus more on like the hair underneath the front layer because I have a lot of hair. I have layers of hair in my bangs because I basically like thin it out underneath. I add layers to my bangs, okay guys? I do. Because I don't like straight across choppy chop ridiculousness. But I also don't like wispy bullshit. Like, I like choppy bullshit. And this is kind of where you can go ham. Now that everything is like generally the length you want it to be, just go at it. I really hope I'm in frame for this. Oh yeah, totally am. And if you want to, grab like a little chunk. Go a little emo. Just a little bit. And if you're kind of not sure about the length, start with like the under bits and cut those shorter because those aren't gonna show as much. Because nothing is more annoying for me, at least, is when I like cut my bangs in like one like fail swoop and like the front is shorter than the back layers and it's just like, that was clearly just like a chop job. But if the back is shorter than the front, it's not as obvious. And it just makes your bangs look like less like thick, you know? I have to bleach them too because the pink is not staying in the slightest. Okay, so I think I'm getting to the desired length. I think so. It's so satisfying cutting your bangs after not cutting your bangs for like 2 months. Because they were really long. Like, they were really, really long. Blow on your face to get all the hair out of it. And then I just take a brush and just kind of like brush sideways with it to make sure that everything is like even. And obviously it's gonna fall a little bit differently after you wash your hair for the first time, but I'll include a still photo of my hair when it's dry after it's been showered with this new bang. There will undoubtedly be a little bit of like touch up that you'll have to do after it's wet and it's dry. I find cutting my bangs when they're dry a lot easier for me because I feel like it doesn't slip through the brush as much and I'm able to see how long it's going to be more accurately than if I'm cutting it when it's wet. This is a look, right? Just got like little pieces of hair on my face. Yeah, I'm happy with these. I'm happy with these bangs. You can kind of like frame your face more if you want, but I tend to do a very subtle frame of the face. I don't do anything too like, I don't know, drastic where it like goes really high and then really low around the corners because my brows are longer, you know? I don't know. My makeup is totally wearing off. It is what time? I don't even fucking know. But I've had my makeup on probably since like 9 o'clock this morning, but I figured I'd film this video now and then I can wash my hair and then it'll be nice and like done. Oh, now I have just like chunks of hair in my robe here. I wanted to do this video because I figured it'd be quick and something that you guys would like, and also I needed to cut my bangs, so yeah. Long bangs are a look, you know, but like when you have glasses, long bangs are really annoying because not only are you kind of blinded by them, but after a while they kind of start to like skirt out to the side, off the side of your glasses, and it's like, thanks so much. Yeah, that's how I cut my bangs. It's actually really fucking easy. People are so afraid of cutting their own bangs. Unless you want it like super like precise and perfect, then it's kind of scary, but like I don't do my hair that way. So like if you like my bangs and you want to do your bangs like me, don't worry about it because it's actually really easy Just grab a chunk and start chopping, and then just, I think the key really is taking your scissors like vertically and kind of cutting into them that way, because it makes it look a lot more natural and not like, oh, my dad cut my bangs before picture day in the 2nd grade. Heyo. Should I give you a song of the day? I should give you a song of the day. Song of the day is Mr. Asylum by Highly Suspect, because I've been listening to them so much because it is loud and it is angry and it's progressive and it's rock and roll, and I just need that shit right now. So we will get back to regularly scheduled content very soon, I promise. It has been a week, it has been 2 weeks, it has been fucking way too long, and I'm just stressed out. Like, it's been a lot going on, and I might fill you guys in on some of it. It's just so much work. So much work right now. That's where I've been. I've just been working more than ever, and I've had no space in my brain to actually like put forth creative energy on making YouTube videos. So that's why I haven't been making shit. So I hope that this will suffice for now, because I wanted to do something easy and fun, and I needed to cut my bangs because they were really, really long. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks to my patrons. You're awesome. Thanks to my subscribers for subscribing. You're also awesome. I'm getting hair just everywhere. Your hair is everywhere, screaming and... If you don't know that Dashboard Confessional reference, I apologize. And if you do, hey, I will be back in full force soon, I promise. Thank you guys for being patient with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!